Kyle Rittenhouse. Late this evening, 12 jurors and 8 alternates selected in a courtroom in Kenosha.
11 are women, 9 are men. Opening statements start now, tomorrow. And WGN's Julian Cruz has the latest from Kenosha.
Among those demonstrating outside the courthouse, Justin Blake, the uncle of Jacob Blake, partially paralyzed after 7 shots from a Kenosha, Wisconsin police officer responding to a domestic call back in 2020. He says when it comes to Kyle Rittenhouse, there has to be justice.
Somebody has to take responsibility for it. This guy's been treated with kid gloves. I've never heard of somebody being murdered, 2 people, and get a bond.
The controversial Jacob Blake shooting igniting 3 nights of destructive protests, all of it leading to Kyle Rittenhouse, the Illinois teenager telling investigators that he went to Kenosha to defend property and help restore order.
Is there anybody who hasn't read or heard anything about this case?
Kenosha County Circuit Court Judge Bruce Schroeder addressing the enormous pretrial publicity surrounding the case, a case that has drawn national, even international attention. Judge Schroeder reminding potential jurors of their constitutional duty to be impartial.
Whatever you've read or heard about the case before, whatever you've been thinking about the case, you have to be in line with what these people who risked their lives for our freedom asked of us.
The violent actions of defendant Kyle Rittenhouse captured on video from multiple angles. Those disturbing images aired countless times on local, national, and international media outlets. An important part of this case, the enormous challenge for Kenosha prosecutors and defense lawyers alike, is seating an impartial, unbiased jury.
This is what you're looking for, people who will listen to what you have to say and be sympathetic to your position.
Renowned trial lawyer Sam Adam Jr. says it's more art than science, the pivotal process of selecting jurors who will keep an open mind on the evidence.
These are the people that are going to judge whether or not they buy into your theory of the case.
Kenosha County Circuit Court prosecutors and defense lawyers holding 6 strikes each, able to turn away any potential juror. The central legal question, experts say, in a state where citizens can lawfully use deadly force to prevent imminent death, is did Kyle Rittenhouse behave reasonably, fearing death or great bodily harm? During the period where they were dealing with technical difficulties, Judge Schroeder adding a bit of levity to these serious proceedings, playing Jeopardy with some members of the court staff before the judge and the lawyer got back to the business of jury selection. In Kenosha, Julian Cruz, WGN News.
And the Lake County State's Attorney's Office says the gun that Rittenhouse used in that shooting was bought and stored in Wisconsin before the shooting. Officials say there's no evidence that Rittenhouse ever had the gun here in Illinois. WGN will have special live coverage throughout the Rittenhouse trial. Look for special reports when opening statements get underway starting tomorrow and beyond. You can always follow along at WGNTV.com and get breaking updates with our free WGN News app.